Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, here today we are going to check out few products, that is the components that you are going to use for a PC build to keep the budget in hand. Like, we are going to build a PC of rupees 35,000 and plus or minus 100, and I'm going to show you the components. I'm not going to show you the actual build, but I'm going to suggest you the important components, or rather with the pricings and the peripherals that you need for a complete gaming setup or editing setup. So guys, first of all, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share this video with your friends who also want to build a budget gaming PC. And the budget for this video is rupees 35,000 plus or minus 100. So I'll suggest you all the components that you can buy with the peripherals and make a complete gaming setup within rupees 35,000. It might add on rupees 500 or become less, so that doesn't matter. So make sure you like the video, share it, and let's roll the intro. So alright guys, I have a list here with me, and this has a complete setup, and I have written everything down here, and the total pricing is rupees 35,100. Hope you guys can see that. Let me just show it to you. That is the pricing, and I don't think the camera had focused it. So talking about the processor, it's AMD Ryzen 3 3200G with Radeon Vega 8 graphics. It's similar to the Ryzen 3 2200G with 4 cores and 4 threads. It's a cool gaming processor that can actually handle games, and it costs you around 8,400. You can just go ahead, check out the links in the description, or also you can compare the links in the description to other websites or even offline market and get a cheaper one anywhere you find it. And then talking about the motherboard, we have the MSI B450M Pro. So this motherboard is the best one in this pricing, I guess, and you can also compare this one as well. And as always, link will be in the description to it on of the Amazon store or the Flipkart store. You can just go ahead, check that out. And RAM here guys, RAM here I'm going to use 8GB RAM. I think that's good for decent gaming, and the RAM here is XPG D30 DDR4 RAM, and it has a frequency of 3000 megahertz, and it will cost you around talking about the motherboard costs you around 5,500, and this RAM costs you around 2,600. And then coming to the next level, we have the power supply, PSU, power supply unit. It is the one which you are going to use is offered by Thermaltake, and it is the light power 450 something. I'll just show you everything on the screen. So it will cost you around rupees 2,300, and we are not going to use a hard drive in this build. We are going to use a SSD, solid state drive, that's offered by Gigabyte, 240GB, and it will cost you around 2,100 in the offline market. And you can always go ahead, check the link in the description, and check out other websites as well for any cheaper comparisons. And the case we are going to use in this PC build is offered by the Ant PC, and it is the TG200. It has a tempered glass on the side, and it has RGB lighting in the front, and it will cost you around 2,800. You can see we have not compromised anything in this build, and we are also checking out the looks of the PC and also the gaming power. So talking about the next stuff, we have Windows on the list, and you can just download the Windows from windowkey.in for rupees 1,000, or maximum it will cost you around 1,500. You can also check out other websites which you can just mention them in the comment section, and other people can just go ahead, check out the comment section once, and then you can just use those sites as well. And talking about the monitor, we have a cool curved Samsung monitor, and it has 1080p HD display with 60 fps frame rate, which is 24 inches, and it costs you around 8,300. All links are in the description. You can also just compare them, as I'm mentioning very frequently in the video. So you can now just move on to the peripherals. This will cost you around above stuff will almost cost you around 32,000, 33,000. And now talking about the mouse, keyboard, headphones and the mouse pad, you can just go for the Redgear Manta combo that will have a mouse, keyboard, headphone and a pad for just rupees 2,100. I think that's a good combo. You get a decent keyboard with the metal body and rubber keys, and you get a mouse, and you have a headphone that gives you decent audio and a pad, and that will cost you 2,100. And talking about the total build cost, so first of all we had the processor, rupees 8,400. Then we have the motherboard, rupees 5,500, RAM of rupees 2,600, power supply of rupees 2,300, SSD of rupees 2,100, case of rupees 2,800, Windows of rupees 1,000, monitor of rupees 8,300, Redgear Manta combo, that is the mouse, keyboard, mouse pad and the headphone, that will cost you around 2,100. And adding up these, you get it for 35,100. So this is how you build a PC, a decent gaming PC for rupees 35,000. And hope you guys know the build, or I can also make a video of how you actually have to build a PC. So that is in this video. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Make sure you like the video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.